So guys, nandito na naman tayo sa loob ng Airbnb studio unit. At nag-walkthrough na ako. Okay lang naman yung space. Iniwan ng guest. Pansin ko ang toilet. Pinalitan nila yung toilet seat. Pero, maliit. So, I wonder why. Hinanap ko yung toilet seat. Nandito siya. And it's broken. So, tatanggalin ko to para malagyan nila yung nararapat na toilet. This is for round toilet. So, kailangan, ang ilagay dyan ay yung elongated toilet seat. Dahil elongated yung toilet. I don't know what happened. But it looks like it moves also. I hope it's still good while I'm flushing it. Wipe it one more time. Flush it. Okay. So far, it's fine. Okay naman ang shower. Ito lang ang problema. Inform ko na yung management about sa case ng toilet at papalitan nila. So, yan na muna guys.